Stop paying $20 a month for basic document analysis. These free models provide the same utility without the recurring subscription fee. Most of us are still stuck in the 2023 mindset that you have to pay for the best intelligence. That is no longer true in 2026. The landscape has shifted. The gap between the paid tiers and the free offerings has closed so significantly that for 90% of professional tasks, the subscription is a legacy habit, not a necessity. Welcome to Dry Run, where we test AI tools so you don't waste your afternoon finding out they don't work. You see the charge on your credit card statement every single month, $20. It feels like a small price to pay for staying relevant in the intelligence revolution. But let's look at the math. That is $240 a year. If you are a freelancer or a small business owner running a lean operation, that is a significant chunk of your software budget. Most people keep paying because they fear losing access to high-level reasoning or large file uploads. They think the free versions are still the lobotomized toys they were 3 years ago. This is a misconception that costs you money. You are likely paying for a brand name and a flashy interface rather than actual usable output. In a world where open-source models and competitive free tiers are aggressive, staying loyal to a single paid subscription is a tactical error. By the end of this, you will have a specific stack of 4 free AI tools that replace a $240 a year subscription. You will know exactly when to use each one to save money and get better results. Number 1, Claude 4.5 Sonnet Free Tier. Here's the thing most people miss. The free version of Claude now has a larger context window than the paid version of most competitors did just 18 months ago. In 2026, the Sonnet model is the gold standard for document analysis. It handles up to 200,000 tokens for free users. Let me break this down plainly. You can take a 60-page technical manual or a dense legal contract and drop it into the chat. It will parse the entire document in seconds. It does not cost a cent. Most tutorials won't tell you this, but the reasoning capabilities in Sonnet are actually more precise for coding and logic than the current paid version of many other popular bots. How do you use it today? Use it for the deep work tasks. If you have a complex spreadsheet that needs a Python script to clean the data, or if you need to find a specific contradiction in a long-form proposal, Claude is your tool. It doesn't give you the flowery, overly polite filler that other models do. It gives you the answer. This saves about 3 hours a week if you use it right. You get 5 to 10 high-quality messages every few hours on the free tier. For a professional who knows what they are asking, that is more than enough to finish a day's work. One-sentence takeaway: Claude Sonnet is the best free tool for high-precision document analysis and complex logic. Number 2, Google Notebook LM. Most people use AI to chat. Professionals use AI to learn. Notebook LM is not a chatbot. It is a dedicated research environment. It is completely free and integrates with your existing Google ecosystem. In 2026, its ability to ground answers in your specific documents is unmatched by any paid pro feature on the market. The honest answer is that most AI tools guess when they don't know something. Notebook LM is different. It only uses the sources you provide. This eliminates the risk of the AI making things up, which is the biggest hurdle for professional adoption. How do you use it today? Create a new notebook for every project. Upload your PDFs, your meeting transcripts, and your raw notes. It will create a cross-referenced guide for you instantly. My favorite feature is the audio overview. It generates a deep-dive discussion between 2 AI personas that sounds like a professional podcast. You can listen to it while you are at the gym or driving to a client meeting to get up to speed on your own data. Skip the theory. Here's what actually works. Use this for project onboarding or when you are deep diving into a new industry. One-sentence takeaway: Notebook LM is the superior free choice for grounded research and synthesizing multiple sources without hallucinations. Number 3, Mistral LeChat. Privacy and speed are the 2 things busy professionals value most. Mistral is a European company that offers its top-tier models for free through their LeChat interface. While other companies use your data to train their future models by default, Mistral provides a cleaner, more transparent path for those who care about data sovereignty. Their 2026 large model is now available to free users with incredibly high rate limits. It is fast and lean. It lacks the heavy-handed moralizing filters that often make other AI tools frustrating to use for business. How do you use it today? Use Mistral for your daily drafting and brainstorming. If you need to write 10 variations of a cold email or a series of LinkedIn posts, Mistral will do it faster than almost any other interface. It doesn't lecture you or provide 3 paragraphs of warnings before answering a simple business question. No fluff, here's exactly how to do it. Go to the Mistral site, start a chat, and use it as your high-speed drafting partner. It is especially good for multilingual tasks if you are working with international clients. One-sentence takeaway. Mistral LaChat provides high-speed, high-intelligence responses with better privacy and fewer restrictions than its American competitors. Number 4, Perplexity Free Tier. Stop using traditional search engines for professional research. It is a waste of your time to click through 10 different links, dodge ads, and decline cookie banners just to find one statistic. Perplexity is a search engine built on AI that cites every single claim it makes. Even the free tier gives you access to real-time web searching with source citations. In 2026, the free version uses a hybrid model that is faster than a standard search and more reliable than a standard chatbot response. It bridges the gap between a search engine and a research assistant. How do you use it today? When you need to know the current market rate for a specific service or the latest update on a government regulation, this is where you go. You don't ask it to write a story. You ask it to find the 3 most recent case studies on remote work productivity in the tech sector. It will give you a summarized answer with clickable footnotes. This saves about 3 hours a week if you use it right. You get the answer and the link to verify it immediately, which is essential for maintaining your own professional credibility. One-sentence takeaway. Perplexity is the most efficient free tool for verifiable real-time information and market research. That's everything for today. If one of those saves you even 30 minutes this week, it was worth your time watching. Let's do a rapid recap. Use Claude Sonnet for deep document logic and coding. Use NotebookLM for grounded research and learning from your own files. Use Mistral for fast, private drafting without the fluff. Use Perplexity for real-time, cited facts from the live web. You do not need to spend $20 a month to stay ahead of the curve. You just need to know which tool fits the task. If this was useful, hit subscribe. We post every week, no filler. And drop a comment below. Which paid AI subscription are you most tempted to cancel after seeing these free options? I read every reply.